on Living Healthy Chicago, we're all about staying fit and finding an exercise routine that will work for you long term. So today I'm checking out a great way to get moving that's fun and artistic all in one. So today I'm with Jessica from Chicago Dance Crash to talk about why hip hop dancing is a great option for a workout. Jessica, hip hop dancing is just so much fun. Why is it just so great for everyone?
You know, I think there's something about dance in general, no matter what style it is, that just makes people happy. It releases endorphins. I think there's some sort of thing about dance that you can't quite describe that hits you in a different way than just going to the gym and pumping some weight.
Hip hop dancing is really moving. You're gonna get some great physical benefits.
On a simple level, you're probably working some muscles that you didn't realize you weren't working before. A typical hip hop class would start you off with some kind of warm up, right? Which is obviously helping you work on your endurance, right? We're gonna do some kind of flexibility and stretching to help lengthen your muscles, prevent injury. And then once we get to a combo, which is where you would kind of learn the steps, then there's a lot of physical coordination and also mental coordination.
But you're also sort of releasing stress too.
I find I can focus better after a dance class. You know what I mean? There's something it does to wake up your brain. There's something about the confidence boost and just the way you feel after grooving to music that I think can brighten your whole day.
Will you show me some moves?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All
Okay.
right.
I'm just gonna teach you a little combo. So we're gonna put together a couple counts of 8, kind of like what we would do at the end of like a basic adult beginning hip hop class. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna kick out your right foot.
Oh geez.
You're gonna step on it. You're gonna touch out your left foot. That's it. So kick out the left foot,
Oh.
step on it, touch, boom. Yeah, now you're gonna swoop. So you're just gonna go low, swoop, swoop.
Oh, kind of like a boxer.
Yeah, bob and weave. You ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna get harder. You're gonna put your right foot forward, front, and back, and boom, you got it. That's it. Front and back and. Yeah!
Woo! Okay,
now we
let's
put
do
those
it.
together. Ready?
Okay,
Here we
go
go.
slow.
And boom, swoop, swoop. Front and back and this one, that one, change, cross. Yeah. Yeah.
That's all I got. Cool. I think the biggest lesson that we want to take away from today is that hip hop dance is a great option for a workout.
Yeah, I think that hip hop dance uses your brain and your body in ways that a lot of traditional workouts can't get to, right? So bottom line, it's fun. If it's something different for you, don't be scared, give it a try. So I think you're ready. You're a lot more prepared than I thought you'd be, so I'm gonna bring in the Chicago Dance Crash dancers and we're gonna see how you groove with them.
Okay, let's do it. Hi guys. Give me a 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, and you go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4.
For more motivation to move, just head to our website, livinghealthytv.com. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.